If you're experiencing account sync issues in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to your game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring or Bandai Namco website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, server maintenance or outages can cause sync problems. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Relink your account. If you're using a console, go to the game settings and unlink your account. Then, relink it to ensure that your account information is correctly synced with the game's servers. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bandai Namco's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issue and continue enjoying Elden Ring. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support teams.